1, 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 48 officially underway here on the Curie field. We have 3 teams in our top 8, 1 on red, 2 on blue. This is going to be important for the rankings early on here. Looks like we've got game pieces being scored for both of these alliances. Red Alliance Robot Machine of 3276. The Toolcats dropping off a couple pieces in Algae, but Blue Alliance is going to be the one to take the early advantage here with a score of 58-41 in favor of Blue. 3276, the Toolcats up and over for the Algae. Rebounding off a Blue Alliance Robot and all the way out of the stadium. 4611 Ozone Robotics has one in tow. They're looking to drop it off for the Blue Alliance. 7457 Super Duper Robotics racing themselves on over to drop off a piece of Algae into the Blue Alliance barge. Red Alliance is going to try to play some catch-up. Looks like we got 2 Red Alliance robots on their side of the field. 1391, the Metal Moose, and their partners, the Toolcats, trying to make short work of the Algae, or of the reef, excuse me. On the opposite side of the field for Blue Alliance, they're maintaining their lead of a 103-81 with about 90 seconds left to play. Super Duper Robotics placing another piece of coral onto the level 3 of the Blue Alliance reef. 4611 trying to drop off a piece of Algae into the Blue Alliance processor for the human player and waiting to be scored into the Red Alliance barge. So that's 6 points for Blue, 4 points for Red, and cooperation for everybody. 3276 racing on over to grab a piece of coral from the floor and returning it to the reef where it belongs. 1391 and their robot Anemone returning things to the reef, which I believe is a cousin of an anemone. They're grabbing some coral all over the seafloor. Their partners Prepa Tech Droid. Looks like they might be stuck up against the Algae. They are feeding in coral after coral into the stadium to give them as many scoring opportunities as possible. That floor take robot is going to thrive, picking things off the seafloor. Back on the Blue Alliance side of the field, 4611 Ozone Robotics, currently ranked number 4, is going to race themselves on over to retrieve another piece of coral. All 3 Blue Alliance robots trying to score and complete the Blue Alliance reef. Looks like they are very close to doing it, if not done. Blue Alliance is going to take that advantage with all of those points being scored. It looks like Blue Alliance has completely filled their reef. Red Alliance has got a couple empty slots left. They're going to move on to the trough, trying to get as many pieces of coral scored. Both teams have reached the cooperation threshold, which has reduced their coral ranking point. Looks like we're going to have a couple robots lift up into the air. 2 Blue Alliance robots have come to the surface, potentially 1 for Red. And we'll be back with your official Blue Alliance. They're walking home with the win with a score of 237-153. Blue Alliance, a little bit of shakeup in the rankings. 4611 is going to hold strong at number 4. 4757 is going to slide up into 5th with their partners into 11th.